Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be visiting my storage unit. I know I haven't showed you guys the storage unit since I got all my new machines in there, and there's only a few of them in there. I still have more machines in the other guy's storage unit. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a trip to the storage unit because I have to move a couple gumball machines over there for my garage. And yeah, I figured why not take you guys along and show you guys what's in my storage unit, since you guys have not seen it since it was empty. Gotta move all these yellow machines to my storage unit, and yeah, we're gonna load up the truck and see you guys at the storage unit. I've got all types of random snack machines in there, some old ones, some newer ones, some broken ones, some working ones. You guys will be able to see the one that I was talking about in my last video that fell face forward and broke, so we're gonna head there right now. Lift with your back. Don't lift with your back. Lift with your legs. Kitty's sleeping on my car.
Oh. Kitty got eye boogers.
I just crushed my toe. A subscriber actually gave me these yellow machines.
You're definitely not lifting with your legs.
Oh, these things are so awkward to carry.
Oh my god. There's gonna be a dent in his car. Oh my
Any dents in my roof?
We just needed a better ankle. Just right up here the whole way there.
Oh my gosh. If I turn, you'll go.
Guys, go subscribe and like the video. Okay, bye.
We're gonna get copyrighted from Santa Claus. Alright, guys. So we just got to the storage unit. We gotta move all that stuff into our storage unit here. And yeah, you're gonna see it is a little bit more filled up than last time you saw it. So here it is. There she is. All sorts of vending machines in here. Got some old ones, some new ones. Got the old faithfuls and the old reliables. Check out this machine. Hopefully you can see. It's pretty dark in here, but it's an old, it's brown, super old machine. But it's pretty much brand new, and it even takes cards, which is pretty cool. Super nice, super clean machine. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snack machines in here. And I've still got about like 10 more in this other guy's storage unit.
How does this one take cards?
Because I don't have the vending machine keys with me, but on the inside there is a little thing, a little reader for it to take cards. So it got upgraded. Over here we have the machine that fell while we were moving it. It's kind of hard to tell, but all these rows are pushed forward, and like in the back right here there's a lot of missing parts, motors busted off, plastic flew everywhere. The glass didn't break, but the door is like crooked, and yeah, this one's just done. And then we got little Sanders came with us. He's gonna explore the storage unit. Machine needs another wire. Like, that's not up to code. I gotta find some more locations. These are some really old machines. This is a 5 wide, but this thing's like a dinosaur. And then it's hard to tell, it's hard to squeeze around in here, but hopefully, I'm not even sure if you can see anything, but this machine is also really old. And then we got these 2 machines back here. Gotta do a little bit of work to them. This one right here is really, really old. This machine. If you look right over here, it doesn't take dollar bills, it only takes coins. And then right here is a little change box, which is kind of cool. A little change box right there. But yeah, I gotta like squeeze through these machines. You gonna stay in there with them? Stay in there with them.
There's just a big turd in here. I don't think he knows the difference.
Sanders, come here. Sanders, you're gonna live here now. This is Sanders' new home. Come here, Sanders. You live here now.
You're putting him up there?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Sanders, come here.
Look at him going by himself. Sanders, what are you doing?
Crazy boy.
Sanders, come on, this way. Oh, he left.
What do you mean he left? Go find him. Sanders, come here.
This way. Look, 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 this way.
Sanders, come here.
This way, this way, this way.
Uh-oh.
He's probably needing poop or something.
Sanders, come here.
Oh my.
These things are so awkward. So yeah, if I have video of the other storage unit where like 50% of the machines are, this is like a small portion of the machines. We just got tired moving on that one day, and this is a 10 by 20. There's no way all of them would have fit in there. So if I can find a video clip of when I went to that other storage unit, I'll show you guys and I'll put it in the video. So yeah, we still got all these candy machines. The original candy machines, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candy machines, a gumball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4 U-turns, well 5 really, but the gumball machine, all these extra parts, all these snack machines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yeah, that's kind of just an update on the storage unit and that situation. And I hope everyone's gonna have a good Christmas. That's pretty much all I have for today's video. I know it's not a whole lot, but yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated with everything, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.